video we are going to be unboxing the November GlossyBox. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So like I've just said, today's video we are going to be unboxing the November GlossyBox. So I got my paid box. Which one's the paid one? That one. I got my paid box a few days ago now. I've been so busy. I haven't had a second to myself, haven't had time to film it, and I thought I was going to sit down today to do it, and my PR box turned up. So we're going to unbox them both. I am going to unbox the PR box, and then we'll have a little sneaky peek in this just to see if there's anything different in the paid box. So yeah, let's get right on into it and open it up. So if you are interested in this box, it costs £13.50 monthly. If you subscribe for 12 months, it reduces the price and it works out at £11.50 per month, which is great. I have a link in a code. I'll pop it down below in the information box and the comment box. If you use that, you'll get your first box for £10, I believe, but double check that just to be on the safe side. Yeah, so here is the box. I love these boxes. I love using them for storage. Absolutely love it. If you have not already as well, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. I forgot to mention as well, so I'm just going to pop this in here. The PR box that I get and I unbox on my channel is free. I do not pay for it. That does not guarantee a good review from me. If there's something in the box that I don't like and don't agree with, I will certainly say. But as you can see in the video, I also buy this monthly as well. But yeah, the PR boxes are gifted. This is inside the box. We get the little card with a QR thing on the back that you scan, and it'll have information on the products that are in the box. But this edit is called Cheers to Us. There we go, it's a better look inside. Let's have a sneak peek. So there we go, this is inside. What's that? Oh, okay, we have a leaflet there. I don't know if that is part of one of the things in there, but it's Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Is that foundation? I think it is. Pro filter, little testers for the different shades there. That's great. And there we go, there's a bit of a sneak peek. Let's just pop that there a moment, and I'm going to open the box that I pay for. So this is the box that I pay for, and it certainly looks very different indeed. Let's open it up. And here it is. Right, so this is inside with a sneak peek there. But yeah, let's get digging and see what we've got. Right, scan the card. So I've just scanned the card and I've brought up the digital edit card. The first page I've turned to, it's just telling me about the advent calendar. I do have that at the side of me to do an unboxing. So within the next week, I'm going to do the unboxing. I'll upload it on my channel if you want to see what's in it. But on the advertisement here, it just says that it's worth £473 and it's yours for £80. If you're a subscriber, you'll get £10 off, which will be £70, which is quite cool. The first product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea, and it is a body scrub. This is a full-size product. It has a value of £7. It just says, boost your shower routine with our black cherry and vanilla body scrub. This refreshing scrub is formulated with nourishing ingredients and smells refreshing to give you an extra lift to the start of the day. This fruity body scrub is vegan friendly, SLS and paraben free, meaning no nasties whatsoever. Yeah, cool. Black cherry and vanilla. I love vanilla. You obviously open it that way, but I'm just gonna, for ease, just do it this way for now, because oh, this is sealed, but it will get used because I think I'm gonna love this scent. Oh my god, that smells out of this freaking world. That really smells lush. I've put a tiny bit on my hand there. Yeah, you can feel the little exfoliating bits in there. Oh, yeah, that scent is freaking gorgeous. I wonder if there's a perfume in that scent because it's lush. Nice. So just to double check in the box that I paid for, and yes, I've got one in there as well, which super happy about. Second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Rodial, and it's a snake bubble mask. Ooh, it has an RRP of £11, and it just says enriched with O2 bubbles to remove dirt, dead skin cells and excess oils. Bamboo charcoal, which deep cleanses and unclogs the pores, while a rich blend of collagen, ceramide, vitamin A and E and peptides revitalise the skin. I love this brand so much. Super happy to get this in here. And in the box that I paid for, I also got one in there as well. Third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Basic Skin, and it is a lip scrub. It's a deluxe size. It has a value of £16. It just says, let's make that a bit bigger, a gentle lip scrub that cleanses, conditions and exfoliates, leaving soft lips smooth and hydrated. It gently buffs away dry flakes with sugar crystals and shea butter. It's the perfect prep step to incorporate into any lip routine. Yeah, sounds great. I'm going to leave this seal. In fact, no. Right, so let's have a little look-see. Ooh. Oh my god. That smells so good. Ooh, it's kind of hard. Hey. I've got lipstick on at the moment, but I'm going to taste it. Right, try not to eat it. But yeah, that smells oh so good, and it tastes awesome. And again, the good news is I got it in my paid monthly box as well. So next we have this. And this is an extra treat in the box, and it's an eyeko pencil sharpener. It is a full-size sharpener. Let's try and open it. It's a full-size sharpener. It has a value of £7. It just says a perfect extra treat for your makeup bags this November. The eyeko pencil sharpener will have eyeliner sharpened and ready to give a sharp finish to any wing. Yeah, cool. I was actually, my other pencil sharpeners just snapped. I do like to go for retractable lip and eyeliners. Well, if I ever use an eyeliner, which is not very often, because I'm a lazy girl. But yes, I am glad to have a sharpener there. So yeah, pop the pencil in that side, sharpen away, and then when you come to bin it, take that off and empty it out. Cool. The sad news is it is an extra treat in the box, but I don't have it in my paid box. So I just have the one in the PR box. So the next page, it just says which mystery product will you receive. So it's one of two products. So you're either going to get something by the brand called Style Dry, and it's coconut and fig hair mask, a deluxe size worth £8.50, or you're going to get something by the brand Living Proof, and it's the Advanced Dry Shampoo, which is a deluxe size. It has a value of £5. So the one I have got in my PR box is this. So it's by Living Proof, and it is the dry shampoo. It just says this dry shampoo actually cleans hair by absorbing oil, sweat and odour while leaving your hair with a touch of texture for a crisp, long-lasting scent. I cannot talk today, oh my god. And in my paid box, I also got one too. So it is the lower value. The value is very close, the other one being £8.50 and this one worth £5. So not too bad of a difference there, but yeah, cool. I love Living Proof dry shampoo. I can just never justify the price of buying one in the shop. I always wait until they come round in the beauty boxes. So the next page in the edit book, it says Lucky Dip. So you're going to get one of three items. So you're going to get something by the brand Eyeko in a black eyeliner, which is a full size worth £19, or you're going to get something by the brand Lottie London, and it's AM to PM liner, which is full size, which is worth £4.99. That I don't like straight away because one's worth £19 and one's worth a fiver basically. And the third and last one is going to be by the brand Steve Laurent, and it's a brown eyeliner, full size, worth £11. And if I can pick it up, I got the one by Steve Laurent. So I got the middle one. I didn't get the £19 one. I didn't get the £5 one. I got the £11 one. So that's okay. It says, whatever type of eye look that you're aiming for, this Steve Laurent brown eyeliner is versatile, rich shade that will enhance any kind of eye look. Yeah, cool. I'm actually really happy to get a brown one. Really happy. And in my paid box, I also got exactly the same one as well. So I'm just going to open this up and we'll have a little swatch. I haven't taken that off properly, but never mind. Oh, what a lovely colour. Very nice. Yeah, I'll definitely have to try that out. What would have made this even better, like I was saying, if it was retractable, because did I mention lazy girl right here? And like I was saying, in my PR box, I also noticed this. So it's just a leaflet about Fendi Pro Filter foundation, and then there's some samples of colours there, which is fabulous. But there isn't one of these in my paid box. You'd think that there would be. I know that the PR boxes, in the PR boxes, they give us the ones where new subscribers, this is what new subscribers get, but surely us normal subscribers who pay for monthly boxes would appreciate something like that as well. And there is another little treat in the PR box as well, which is these. It's Bailey's chocolate, and these aren't in the box that I pay for monthly, so it's just in the PR box again for new subscribers. I'm gonna try one, but it's like, I don't actually like Bailey's, so I don't know why I'm trying it, but you know, the toffee inside. Okay, that's actually really nice. Yeah, gorgeous. But again, I think customers that pay monthly for the boxes already, they're already subscribers, would appreciate this. Not just the new subscribers. Little bit disappointing how I didn't get a sharpener in the box that I pay for either per month. This is the November GlossyBox. What do you think? Personally, I've still got chocolate in my mouth. Personally, I really like this box. It's nice. We have a lovely mask by Rodial, and I like how it's a bubble one. That makes it a bit more fun, doesn't it? Yeah, lip scrub is great. Little eyeliner, a little sharpener to go with it. If you are lucky to get one in yours, as I say, my prepaid one, I didn't get one. Maybe that's just one of the odd boxes, but comment down below if you get a monthly box, did you get an eyeliner in yours? Because it's supposed to be an extra treat in the box. This is gorgeous bubble tea. I do love bubble tea products. They are so affordable, but so freaking gorgeous. They smell amazing. And yeah, Living Proof shampoo. Yeah, I do. I like all of it, but your opinion is the most important. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.